Hi, this is Jan Ria with Career Discovery. In my last segment, I have been interviewing Lene Pullard, one of my former clients, and her career journey. This segment, I would like to discuss more your new Power Up Your Cover Letters book and how you happen to decide on this as your first topic. So tell us a little bit, how come you chose cover letters? One of the things that I realize being a career counselor is people are always wanting to know how to do cover letters, and they usually think it has to do with getting jobs. But you want to broaden this to other segments, other populations. Tell us about that.
That's right, Jan. Cover letters are for more than just resumes. They're for almost anything you do in the business world. For example, an architect needs to send a specification to a client. You need a cover letter for that. A student applying for college needs a cover letter. Most anything you do in life, if you're sending something to somebody, you're sending a product catalog, you need a cover letter that explains to the reader what's in this package.
And I should imagine in business, you may need to often use cover letters for proposals, things of that nature.
That's right. As a matter of fact, when I was teaching a course on proposals is when it occurred to me that I needed to do a separate segment just on the cover letter itself. It was the last chapter in a class I was teaching, but the feedback said we want to know more about formatting, how do we choose styles, what style do we use? That brought me to creating the book, Power Up Your Cover Letters.
So, I know that you have in mind that you just don't want to have a template that's boring, because we have many of those now, that your approach is to be more personalized. So why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, right now we have a plethora of cookie cutter templates that we can select from. The problem with that is you look just like everybody else. If you're out there trying to promote yourself or set yourself apart from the others, then you want to have your own unique style, your own look, your own logo, etc. This book teaches you the tools to use, some tips and tricks for how to make yourself your own style, your own look and feel.
And I realize in coaching people in the whole process of job search that you need to learn how to stand out, because you have so many people applying for these jobs, so many resumes, so many cover letters, and the whole point is, how do I stand out from everyone else? Also, we're in such a technical society right now. Everything is so technical. So introducing the personal touch, what I call the soft touch, can help me to stand out from other people who are sending their materials.
Right. Well, not just resumes, but say you're sending a proposal to a client and 5 other companies are sending their proposals to a client. What makes you unique? Your message makes you unique, but also your look makes you unique.
And so I think we can spend more time in your next segment about what are the different topics that you cover in your book, and we can talk more in depth about that. So this is Jan Ria with Career Discovery interviewing Lene Pullard with Pullard
Productions.
Thank you. And we will continue our discussion in the next segment.
Thank you.